1 वीक झाला आहे. 1 वीकमध्ये सगळी तयारी केली आहे. फायनली होत आहे आफ्टर 6 years ऑफ टुगेदरनेस.
I was at that stage of my life and she was a mix of both emotions as well as ambition. I wanted someone who has some kind of religious background, and that is what keeps the family together. So that's how I knew that she was the one.
It's been like 5 or 6 years ago actually, and then we met at a party and then we started talking, and that's how we got along with each other and we started dating. So actually a transition खूप फास्ट झालं. लाईक कसं फ्रेंड्सपासून आम्ही कसे बॉयफ्रेंड अँड गर्लफ्रेंड झालो आम्हाला कळलंच नाही. लाईक दिस ट्रान्झिशन वॉज सो स्मूथ.
आली चाहूल कुणाची हे डोल कुणाचे झुलते ग. आले पाऊल कुणाचे ही भूल कुणाची अनाहुत ग. माझ्या मग्न तळाकाठी स्वप्न तुझ्यासाठी गिरवले ग. आली चाहूल कुणाची हे डोल कुणाचे झुलते.
Akshay is very kind person. I will always do what is right. He is very thoughtful. He is very mindful of what he does, what he talks. I love him for that. That he listens to me, he takes care of me, and I feel heard. And I think that's what love is. You know, our understanding of each other. आम्ही खूप poles apart personalities आहोत, and that's what, you know, like complement this relationship.
दिसे दर्पणात